Hey there. Alright, so it's your birthday. You want some birthday cake, I get it, but you also want to stay within your macros. Pretty difficult. Actually, it's not. All you have to do is have some protein funfetti cake. Protein funfetti cake? I've never heard of that. That's because you haven't watched this video yet. Alright, so we're going to do it right now. With all the ingredients I have in my house. Not all of them. Some of the ingredients in my house. Maybe it's not your birthday. Maybe you're just craving some cake. I get it. I've been there. I'm going to help you out. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. I don't really know how to use an oven. That's alright. We're going to make this cake using only a microwave. Okay, so to start, you're going to want to get a mug. Yep, that's right. We're going to make this thing in a mug. So we're going to want to do our dry ingredients first. Let's do 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. Now this is the Giant brand. As always, I recommend getting something better. Forgot to mention this does have a peanut butter ingredient. I use PB2 with vanilla. If you don't want to do the peanut butter, that's fine. But it does give it some extra flavor. We're gonna do half a serving, because that's what I have. Okay, 1 tablespoon of coconut flour. Alright, now we're just gonna use some baking powder. Half a teaspoon. Alright, then you're gonna wanna go with a sweetener. I like to keep it low cal, so I'm gonna go with Swerve. I recommend it. I haven't had it before. It's really to taste, whatever you want. Okay, so I just realized that I put half a tablespoon into these things instead of half a teaspoon for the last couple ingredients. So I'm gonna go ahead and just scoop some out. I recommend that you just do it right the first time. Let's add an egg. And the milk. Fairlife milk, more protein. Alright, we'll do a splash of vanilla extract. A couple drops. Alright, let's stir this baby up. Alright, should come out looking something like this. Alright, now we're just going to add some sprinkles here. This will really put the fun in the funfetti. There we have it, our cake in a mug. What we're going to do now is put it in the microwave. We're going to put it in for about 60 to 90 seconds. It's going to depend on your microwave. Unfortunately, there's no cake setting here, so we're just going to have to go with the time. While you wait, I recommend doing some meditating. Alright, so if it looks like this, kind of a little wet still, you're going to want to put it back in for a little bit. Alright, when you're done, it might look something like this. Good. Yeah. Better than I expected. I get it. What's a cake without icing, right? So you're gonna want a recipe. I got just the recipe. Icing that fits your macros. You can stay tuned for that video sometime in the future.